Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock soup at home, only way. Roast or use raw bones, then place them in a pot with cold water and aromatics. Simmer gently for hours and skim often to keep the broth clear. Strain, cool quickly, and refrigerate or freeze in portions for future soups or sauces with deep homemade flavor. Gather bones, vegetables, and simple seasonings before you start to save time. You can roast bones for extra color or use raw bones for a lighter stock. Chop vegetables roughly. They will be strained out later. A few whole spices and a bay leaf are all you need to enhance depth without overpowering the chicken flavor in the final soup. Start with cold water and bring the pot to a gentle simmer, not a boil, to keep the stock clear. Remove scum as it rises and maintain low heat so flavors extract slowly. Taste toward the end and salt lightly. You can adjust later when making soup. Strain through a fine sieve and cool quickly to preserve freshness and texture for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.